This section of notes is for Access Part 2. It's over creating a database from a template, creating database tables from templates, and also copying table designs so that you can duplicate a table without having to recreate it. As you listen and read along, also anytime that you see any items that are in green and underlined on the screen, highlight those or underline those in your notes guides. We've already learned how to create a database from scratch, and we've created tables within that database. But we can also create a database from a template, which is a pre-made document on which other documents can be based. They're ready-to-use databases that contain all the tables, queries, forms, and reports that are needed for performing a specific task. You download a template from the Backstage view on the File tab, as we will see when we practice this together in the next video. In order to use a template, you launch Access. On the File tab, you click New. And in the Office.com Templates pane, you select a desired template. Click the folder icon in the right pane to choose the correct drive and folder to save the file in. And then you click Download. And then you can begin customizing and using the open template. You can click the shutter bar open and close button if necessary to show the objects in the navigation pane that you can work with within the template. In Office 2010, all templates are available through Office.com online content. Therefore, you must have internet access to be able to download and use templates. You can also search for templates online by keying a phrase in the search box in the Search Office.com for Templates box. Just a reminder, make sure you put your name in all file names and in the names of all objects within the database. So when you create new tables, forms, queries, or reports, you will need to make sure your name is in them. If you use a template or one of the templates that we're going to learn in the next video, then you will need to right-click on the object name and tell it to rename it so that you can put your name in every object name. The application parts gallery and quick start are kind of like little templates within Access for various objects. This feature is new to Office 2010 and is not available in older versions of Access, but it's a real nice little way to quickly create some commonly used database objects. To use the application parts, click the Create tab. In the Templates group, click to the left of the ribbon. Click the Application Parts button. Choose an object you want to create. Choose the prompts that you desire in the Create Relationship dialog box. Click Next and continue to choose options until you go through the options in the dialog box. Finally, click Create. Open the newly created object from the navigation pane. Again, if necessary, you may need to click the double arrows to either expand or collapse. Well, in this case, you would want to expand the navigation pane. If we are going to use the same basic table structure, then it's not necessary to create a table from scratch over and over. If we're going to use the same table structure, we can simply copy the table design. To copy a table structure in the navigation pane, click to select the table you wish to base the new table on. Now this table needs to be closed. Then you can right-click on the table and from the shortcut menu choose Copy. In a blank area at the bottom of the right of the navigation pane, right-click and choose Paste. In the Paste Table As dialog box, key a name for your new table and choose an option from the Paste Options section. For a new blank table, choose Structure only, and then click OK. So we have learned 2 new ways to create tables in Microsoft Access. Now let's go to the next video and do some practice on this.